Hey guys, welcome back to More Than a Play. Hey guys, welcome back to More Than a House. I'm Andy, and on this episode, we get stuck straight back into work. We're painting floors, we're painting splashbacks, and we're just really getting this place back to how it was before and even better. Okay, so you can see I have masked up and I am ready to paint this splashback. So first, I don't know if you've ever used 2-pack paint, but we're going to go in with a prep sol, which will just remove any oils, fingerprints, whatever. And then we'll go in like with an etch. We're just using a spray can, and this will help the paint stick to the metal. And then we can go in with our paint. So it's a little bit of a process, but yeah, let's go. So I'm just doing like a light dust coat, and this will help the paint stick. I've never painted a splashback before, but similar to probably painting a car, I'm hoping. We'll see how this goes. We have let it dry, and now I'm about to start painting. To paint this fireplace. Mark has some grey left over from another project, so I'm going to paint that on here and see how it comes out. Winnie has become a good little guard dog and she found something in our yard, so let's check it out. She was going absolutely crazy, nuts. Look at this. How cute.
That's so funny. Not sure how it got in. Yeah.
So we have removed our front door. I'm just going to do the final coat on the door frame, just nice bright white, and let me show you what we're going to do with our front door. So the bluey teal colour is just the undercoat that the doors come in, and we're going with our orange colour from the orange bedroom. I think it's just going to be a really nice contrast against the greeny blue teal house. So yeah, hopefully this turns out good. We just painted the edges and then we'll rehang it and then roll it on the hangers, so it's steady sort of thing. But yeah, how exciting. Here we go. We are painting the lounge floor, hopefully for the last time. So we had already painted this floor, obviously it got damaged in the floods, so yeah. Some of it peeled off, but we're going to do our second coat. Yeah.
So you'll see a couple of spots where it's actually lifted. So when we started scraping off this paler stuff, it was still wet underneath, and we were talking how long ago the water go through. We were talking 9 months ago. So it's amazing how much water has stayed in the slab here, but we've scraped off all the loose stuff that we can, and we've just got to a point where we've got to just keep moving ahead. So we're just going to paint this clear coat that we've got, which obviously, as you guys see in the first video, it's got a lot of blue and flake and pearl and stuff through it. And we're going to run it straight over top of everything here, and we're just going to sort of embrace the patchiness. Like, for example, that some bits are going to be seen, some bits aren't, and we're just going to run with it. It's going to pretty much add to some of the patina that you see on the original floor, so is what it is. It's going to look good still.
Alright, so that is another coat of paint done on our floors. We're finally getting this place back to better than before, and we're excited, yeah, how it's all coming together. Thanks for watching another episode, and we'll see you next time.